What is the entire big deal with DeepSeek and the NVIDIA stock market crash? It has to do with how AI models are trained. Let me show you. There are three phases that are involved in training an AI model. There is pre-training, post-training, and inference. Traditional LLMs, say GPT-3, 4, Claude 3.5, they use pre-training as the largest phase of creating AI models. So pre-training involves giving an AI model as much data as possible. So you feed into the AI model massive data sets. You do some pre-processing to filter out low quality data, make sure that it's in the right format, and then you feed all those data into the model so that the model can learn to make predictions or inferences about the data. I'm going to go with an analogy made by Andrej Karpathy. Think of an LLM as a student. Pre-training is the phase when the student reads the textbook cover to cover to gather the background information. And pre-training is the phase where NVIDIA makes most of their bucks, because it's a phase that it's very computationally heavy and requires lots of GPUs. After pre-training, we get to post-training, which is when you verify what the model has learned during pre-training, and then you refine it. There are various post-training methods. For example, you can have reinforcement learning with human feedback, which is when a human rates the output of what the model has learned. Think of it like giving a model thumbs up or thumbs down, right? Like this. Then we have supervised fine-tuning, which is when a human demonstrates the wanted behavior to the model. So think about a teacher showing a student how to solve a specific problem, and then the student will imitate how to solve that problem. We have other methods as well, like TPO, knowledge distillation, etc. But one important method that has become super relevant in recent days is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is when a model improves itself through trial and errors and there is no human help involved. In reinforcement learning, you give the model a bunch of data and you design a reward system. And if the model gets the answer right, then the model gets a reward. And so the model will try through trial and error to achieve the desired outcome so that it can get the reward. This is like giving a student